If you have questions about the new OBU, you'll find answers here.
Why do we need to replace the current ERP system?
Our current ERP system is over 25 years old. The new ERP2.0 will improve traffic management and deliver more services to motorists.
But why do I need to change my IU to an OBU?
ERP2.0 needs a more powerful in-vehicle device to enable ERP transactions without physical gantries. In addition to ERP and parking charges, the new OBU also provides real-time information such as road safety alerts, estimated travel times on expressways, speed camera zones, car park availability, and road closures during key events. In the future, the OBU will provide more services such as real-time traffic incident alerts, payment for roadside parking, checkpoint toll payments in Singapore, and usage licenses for off-peak cars.
Okay, but why does the OBU come in 3 pieces?
The OBU processes more information. That's why it comes in 3 pieces. It's designed for indoor use with the processing unit placed away from the vehicle's dashboard. As temperatures inside a cabin are higher than outside, placing the unit on the dashboard would cause it to overheat and shut down. So it's placed away from direct sunlight, while the antenna is fitted to the windscreen to communicate with the satellite and gantries.
Will it be hard to reach?
Your workshop will explain placement options for your vehicle. It is typically placed in the front passenger footwell. Other options may be available, such as the driver's footwell, under the driver's seat, or under the glove box. Regardless of where your processing unit is installed, you won't have to reach for your card when driving. You can sign up for Net's Auto Top-Up and use your OBU touchscreen display to easily disable card deductions for complimentary parking. Keep a spare Net's motoring card for non-EPS car park payments.
Is the touchscreen display too distracting?
You can dim the display, lower or mute the volume, or fold it down anytime. And for your safety, interactive features are only available when your car is stationary or moving slowly. You can also use a compatible mobile application to display key information. Just remember, if you choose this option, ensure your technician adjusts the alert's volume during installation.
Will the OBU drain my car battery?
No, when your vehicle is switched off, the OBU goes into sleep mode and uses less power than the current IU.
Last question. Will installation damage my vehicle?
Technicians at LTA-authorized workshops are trained to install the OBU properly. If you face any issues with your OBU, drop by an authorized OBU inspection center or contact LTA. ERP 2.0 will make journeys smoother for everyone. If you have any other questions, please call LTA or visit the website.